Greetings. Today we are going to make a quick article with Frase.io and using niches and blog tools. We're going to be making blog intros. All right, so let's go ahead and jump in here. We want to go ahead and find our main keyword that we want to focus on. All right, so we're going to go ahead and click on New Document. We are going to enter our search query. Okay, we're going to select our folder that we want to put it in, and we're going to create a document. And what we're going to do is we're going to have a notepad over here on the side to go ahead and put all of the stuff that we want. All right, so we have top results here, and it says that the average word count that we're going to want to shoot for is 1,136 words with a minimum of 4 headers, and we're going to want 5 images. Okay, and then we can also see with the stuff that we create the different topics, keywords. Okay, we also have the main questions. Okay, so right here we have personal growth, a definitive guide to self-growth. Okay, so then we can come over here and we are going to go to blog tools, and then we want to do the blog post intro. Okay, and then we're going to put the title of the post, and then we're going to say generate. All right, it takes about 15 to 20 seconds for it to go ahead and pull that up. So it's got it right here. So we have our personal growth plan ready, view plan. So it's going to go ahead and reload for us. And so what we have is we have our heading here. And then so we have 2 different aspects that we have here, which is 2 paragraphs. Okay. And you just want to go ahead and read over it to make sure that it looks good. All right, and then after that, we want to go ahead and look at another heading that looks good. Go ahead and bring it over, and we're going to say add more. Okay, and then we're going to do blog post intro. And then we're going to put our new one, tips and tricks to enhance personal growth. Okay, and then we'll just go ahead and put that here. Okay, again, it's going to take 15 to 20 seconds for it to generate. Once it's ready, we will be able to reload it to be able to get more. So then we're going to go ahead and copy our heading. Okay, we're going to put our heading down here. All right, and we're going to go ahead and take our content. So let's go ahead and, I like this one first, so let's go ahead and put this one here. Okay, and then we'll take the next one. All right, and then we'll go ahead and find our next heading. So we're going to go ahead and grab this one here. And then we'll say add more. We're going to go once again for the blog post intro. Come down here. Okay, generate more. Once again, it's going to take 30 to 40 seconds. All right, so we have our sections here. So then we just go ahead and copy. All right, so simple, easy. All right, get some good quality content. Couple of paragraphs, so you're going to have a good amount of niche targeted words. All right, and then we'll find another headline that goes with our content. Okay, this one's a good one right here. Or how about this one? I like this one. Right there. Okay, so then we say add more. Blog post intro. Okay. Generate more. All right, that one's ready. So we'll go ahead and reload. Here we go. So then we take our title. Okay. Then we put our content. Now, one thing that I really like about Frase here is that you also have the ability to curate. So you can actually come over here to say like questions, and you can see the top questions from leading sources. And Google really likes when you curate content that is related to your article. So we can take a couple of curations here from the top ranking articles. So like right here, what is personal growth and why you need it? What is personal growth? How do you learn personal growth? All right, so I like this one here. What is personal growth and why do you need it? So you can click on it. Now, if you like this full explanation, you can actually put a curation from here. So you say paste full. All right, and so we can copy this, and you see how it's got a curation to where it goes, right? So let's just go ahead and put this towards the bottom. Okay, and so you have the curation, and then you have this little section here. So we can go down to another section, and we can say like, what is the process of self-growth and development? So we can go here, and if we like this, then we can paste the full one, and we have the curation here from another site. So that gives you some content. It's curated so that you won't get dinged from Google, but it's also saying that this content at this site is actually related to the content that we have, which makes it more powerful. So we can come down, and we have these two sites here. So we can come and see if we like one of these. Okay, so I like this one here. Let's see. How can I pursue personal growth? Okay, so if we like this, then we can go paste full, and we can make that an annotation. All right, so we have 3 annotations from the top ranking articles, which are questions, and Google really likes questions and answers. Then we have our unique content up here on top. And then we can go ahead and also see if we like any other headlines so that we can go ahead and get a little bit more content in here. All right, so you see here that we have 1,219 words. So now at the end, we just want to go ahead and do a little outro. So I would say like, all right, so we have an outro line here. Now, what I like also is that you have a full editor here. So what I would do is I would take our main keyword that we want. I would make it bold. And then I would also find one more here and then underline. All right. So basically, when you have this, it's going to go ahead and pick that up in Google, and it's going to see that these are important. So you have personal growth, you've got personal growth, and they're actually focused on and they are important. So that is good. So we have everything set up. We have our citations, we have our unique blog content with all of our headings. And so basically, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and copy everything that we have here. And then we are ready to rock. All right, so we have our article here. Quickly and easily be able to put it together in about 5 minutes. You want to go ahead and throw some pictures in here, kind of pictures that relate to this, and you will be ready to go. So quickly and easily, you are able to use Frase as well as Nichesss to go ahead and put together a high quality, well-written article that has the keywords that you are trying to target. Remember, if you are part of the Everything Bundle, you have access to both Frase as well as Nichesss. If not, we'll have some links below so that you can go ahead and check these out.